Ever wondered if that dream home is also a smart investment? Let's dive into a real-world Redfin deal analysis right here in Cutler Bay, Florida. First, type Cutler Bay, Florida into Redfin search bar and hit enter. Now, you'll see a map filled with properties. Let's say we're interested in a specific house. Click on the listing that catches your eye. On the properties page, Redfin gives us tons of details. Pay close attention to the list price, square footage, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and property taxes. These are the fundamentals. Scroll down to find the Redfin Estimate. This is their algorithm's guess at the home's value. Take it with a grain of salt, but it's a good starting point. Now, the real gold: comparable sales. Look at the nearby homes for sale and especially the recently sold homes sections. Redfin conveniently displays them right on the map. Analyze the recently sold homes. How do their features, like square footage and lot size, compare to your target property? Were they renovated? This helps determine if the sales price is justified. Finally, consider the overall market trends. Is Cutler Bay a buyer's or seller's market? Is property value appreciating or depreciating? Look for local market trends directly on Redfin or research using outside sources. By combining property data, comparable sales, and market trends, you can make an informed decision about the investment potential of any property. That's how you analyze a deal on Redfin.